Do you want to find the best fitting straight line or parabola for your data using just your Casio fx-991CW calculator? In this video, I'll show you how to perform both linear and quadratic curve fitting step by step. Okay, before going ahead, let us understand what curve fitting means. Two types of fitting that we are going to discuss in this video are straight line fit, wherein what do we do is, given a data x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and so on, we are in search of a straight line which is very close to these points. That means the distance of these points from that straight line should be minimum. And on the other hand, we are going to fit a quadratic curve. That means we are trying to fit a parabola to the given data. So knowing this, the well-posed question can be how to find the equation of a straight line fit, that is y equal to a plus bx, and quadratic fit, that is y equal to a plus bx plus cx square, wherein the input given to us is the data. Now let Casio do the math in seconds. Suppose this is the data given to us and we need to fit a straight line to it. Let us see how we can do this using our Casio calculator. Press home button and then go to statistics, choose to variable and enter the data. Press OK after entering the data. We get second option as reg results. We enter into it. The first option that we get over there is y is equal to a plus bx. We press OK and we get the value of a and b directly. Now to fit a quadratic curve, we again go back and press OK. Choose reg results and choose the second option of y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square, and that gives us the value of a, b and c. Additional problem for practice, you can check your answer. Thanks for watching the video till the end.